Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to train a model using Perplexity AI. This process will help you tailor a model to your specific needs and data sets. So let's dive in. First, go to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key. After that, you need to get on the bottom left corner and select this settings icon. Now get to the top right corner and select API section. Now select docs and here select get started. Now here you will get the process of how to get an API key. You will need this key to access Perplexity AI's model training services. Once you have your API key, gather and prepare your training data. This data should be relevant to the tasks you want the model to perform. Next, set up your project in your preferred environment. This could involve writing code to interact with the Perplexity AI API or using tools provided by Perplexity AI for model training. Follow the Perplexity AI documentation to understand the specific requirements for submitting your training data and configuring the training process. This will include details on data formatting, model parameters, and the training options. Submit your training job through the Perplexity AI API or platform and monitor the progress as the model trains. You will receive updates on the training status and any performance metrics. Once training is complete, evaluate the model's performance using test data to ensure it meets your expectations. Fine-tune the model as needed based on the results, and that's it. With Perplexity AI, you can efficiently train models to meet your specific needs and improve your data-driven applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.